I'm Duff, live in the middle of nowhere, and today you're supposed to be seeing a Mustang video a day. Well, it's not happening because I've had other things to do. As you see, I am not in the middle of nowhere. I'm actually in Calgary. It's my new monitor set up there. New house I bought. So I bought a second house. I still have my house in the middle of nowhere, but I've been busy with this, doing what I need to do. I literally have like a mattress on the floor in my downstairs basement bedroom, and yeah, that's literally the only furniture I have. Like table and chairs that I got from Jody Cannibal, and my table and just my chair I brought in because like, I needed something. It was brutal, but Saf and I are done for the night, and yeah, there's not much for today. Well, next time I'm going to be out there is probably in a week, so I will be slowly moving away from the middle of nowhere, but I'm going to use it as like my cottage, which is kind of expensive because shit. I will finish off the house and stuff like that, like the renovations, but I will be getting out there to finish the Mustang because I don't want to leave that there alone for too long. You never know. But that's all I got for today. Have a good one.